Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher, and today we're on the all-new 2025 Aviara AV28 Surf. I'm going to take you around the boat and show you all the great features that this boat has to offer. So as you heard from the intro, this is an Aviara AV28 Surf, so you're going to have some of the benefits from a traditional bow rider, as well as the benefits of having a surf boat. As you can see, we're in the bow here. Got a beautiful wraparound seating area with your side walkthrough. It's also going to have very deep gunnels, so you're going to feel very secure while you're underway in the bow of this boat. As you can see up at the bow, you do have a windlass anchor on this boat as well, which is not standard for a lot of traditional surf boats. So you're going to get some great benefits on this boat. Making our way up to the helm, you're going to have two captain's chairs, deluxe captain's chair on this side, seating for two. You also have a head unit here. It's going to be vacuum flush with a holding tank on the boat. So really going to extend your day out on the water. Up here at the helm, you're going to have a SIMRAD for all your lighting, navigational, and your music functions. And you have a right side screen that's going to control all your surf functions on the boat. So it keeps those separate and very easy to navigate. Back here at the aft section of the boat, this is an awesome place to entertain all of your guests. As you can see, you have a beautiful swim platform here. This is lined with sea deck, which is great for all your high traffic areas on the boat where water is going to be coming on and off. It's a great non-slip surface. You also have a manual swim platform step here, so you can lower this down and give you easy access in and out of the boat. Back here as well, you have a beautiful extensive sun pad area. As you can see, you might be worried this is black vinyl, but it's also equipped with Cool Touch vinyl, so it's going to stay 30 degrees cooler than other vinyls out on the market. It also does come equipped with an audio transom remote, so you can control all your music functions while you're back here on the aft section of the boat. And as you're in the cockpit, you're going to notice the vast amount of seating. Here on your port side, you have a great U-shaped seating. It's going to have chargers as well as cup holders. And here on your starboard side, you have a nice bench style seating area here as well. Plenty of seats for all your friends and guests. So if you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to stop by Grand Lake MarineMax today. Thanks.